Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube on a hotel TV, even if the controls are limited. Here are the easiest methods you can use. Method 1. Use HDMI with your laptop. Check the side or back of the hotel TV for an HDMI port. Connect your laptop using an HDMI cable, then switch the TV input to HDMI. You can now open YouTube on your laptop and watch on the TV. Method 2. Use your phone with an HDMI adapter. If you have a phone to HDMI adapter, plug your phone into the TV's HDMI port. Switch the TV input and your phone screen will mirror instantly. Open the YouTube app and start playing your videos. Method 3. Use a streaming device. Plug your device into the TV's HDMI port. If the hotel Wi-Fi block setup, use your phone as a personal hotspot to connect your device. Open the YouTube app through your streaming device and sign in if needed. Method 4. Use built-in hotel TV casting. Some hotel TVs show a cast, AirPlay, or screen sharing option on the homepage. Connect your phone to the hotel Wi-Fi, open YouTube, and tap the cast icon. Select the hotel TV from the list and play your video. Method 5. Use your laptop wirelessly. If casting is blocked, open YouTube on your laptop and place it near the bed or desk to watch comfortably like a mini TV. And that's it. These methods will help you get YouTube on almost any hotel TV. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.